Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two digital apps. When selecting a digital wallet for managing payments, understanding the key features and services of platforms like Amazon Pay and Google Pay is essential. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Account types. Both Amazon Pay and Google Pay offer user-friendly account options catering to various needs. Amazon Pay integrates directly with users' Amazon accounts, enabling seamless payments using saved payment methods without the need for separate account creation. Google Pay provides a standalone account that links to users' Google accounts, allowing integration with various payment methods, loyalty programs, and transit cards. Payment methods. The range of payment methods supported by each platform is crucial for flexibility. Amazon Pay supports credit and debit cards linked to users' Amazon accounts, utilizing the same payment methods saved on Amazon. Google Pay offers a broader array of payment methods, including credit and debit cards, PayPal, bank accounts, and Google Store financing. Online and in-store payments. Understanding the scope of usability for both online and in-store payments is essential. Amazon Pay primarily focused on online payments, allowing users to pay on participating websites using their Amazon credentials. It does not support in-store contactless payments. Google Pay provides extensive support for both online and in-store payments. Users can pay on websites, apps, and at physical stores that accept contactless payments using their smartphones. Security features. Robust security measures are vital for protecting user data and transactions. Amazon Pay utilizes Amazon's advanced security infrastructure, including encryption, fraud detection, and secure login through Amazon's authentication system. Google Pay implements multiple layers of security, such as tokenization, two-factor authentication, biometric verification, and real-time alerts for suspicious activity. Integration and compatibility. The ability to integrate with other services and devices enhances the platform's versatility. Amazon Pay integrates seamlessly with the Amazon ecosystem, including Alexa. It is compatible with various e-commerce platforms, making it easy for merchants to accept Amazon Pay. Google Pay, highly compatible with Android devices and integrates with other Google services like Google Assistant, Google Play, and YouTube. Rewards and promotions. Incentives and rewards can add value for users. Amazon Pay occasionally offers promotions such as cashback and discounts for using Amazon Pay on certain websites or during specific campaigns. Google Pay frequently provides rewards like cashback, discounts, and exclusive offers for using the service. Customer support. Effective customer support is essential for resolving issues and answering questions. Amazon Pay offers customer support through the Amazon Help Center, including email and phone support. Google Pay provides customer support via the Google Pay Help Center, offering email, phone, and chat support. International availability. The global reach of the platform can be a deciding factor for international users. Amazon Pay, available in multiple countries, primarily focused on regions where Amazon operates. Google Pay, available in many countries worldwide, making it a more accessible option for international users. Conclusion. Both Amazon Pay and Google Pay offer unique features tailored to different user needs. Amazon Pay is perfect for Amazon customers looking for a seamless online payment experience, while Google Pay excels in offering a versatile, secure, and user-friendly platform for both online and in-store payments. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.